everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna. This is my van Vanna, and I invite you to join me on my journey to convert Vanna into a camper van. Come see what I'm working on today. Good morning, everybody. I am here with Vanna, and this morning I am going to be working on wiring up the gray water tank water sensor, and I want to feed it up into the hole that my furnace electrical is going to go down in. So let me get out of the van, show you guys what's going on. Okay, so this is the hole that I drilled out for the electrical to come out and go into the furnace. Here we got furnace connections that need to be hooked up, and as well as the fuel pump. But the line I want to hook up today, right now, is hooking up the water level sensor for the gray water tank. So I want to feed this up the same hole so that I don't have to cut out too many holes. So let me get that started. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I got some Wago electrical connectors, and I am connecting my water level sensor for the gray water tank. And this wire is about, I don't know, 22 gauge or AWG. And this wire right here is 18. So I'm kind of notching it up. So I'm gonna get another connector to connect the two power. I connected two negative, and I'm gonna go get another one to connect the two positive. So that's what I'm doing to try to connect this thing up, extend the wire. Okay, just like that, it's done. Connected. Got the wire loom on to protect it. I will probably have a new wire loom joining both the electric valve for my gate, the valve for the dump wire. I will probably connect them together with one wire loop. And so this right here is probably, maybe I can put something on that too, and just glue this down onto my gray tank. Okay, that's what I've got. Okay, so I am going to feed a second one down to go up to the diesel level sensor. Now hopefully, after all these wires are in, that I can still feed in my harness for the furnace. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay, everybody, so I plugged in the harness in pieces. Out of this right here, out of the tube that's coming in from the van, I have two strands that are being plugged into the furnace. I have this piece here, and I have this piece up here. There's a third connection. Where is it? There's a third connection that is smaller. This one. This is the third one. This is not coming down from the van. This is actually one piece that is being plugged right into the coolant pump. And then off of this right here that's coming in from the van, I have some other wires going up as well. I'm trying to maintain the same. I'm trying to use the same hole here for the purpose of wiring some of the other stuff. For example, my electric valve for the gray tank drain is also being fed up through that wire loom. I have this over here, which is the water level sensor for the gray tank, also being fed up into here. And then there's a third one that's that's being fed in through this tube right here. Look in here, it's there's two things in here. And the red wire is the water level or the diesel level sensor for the diesel tank. Not hooked up yet, but I'm planning on it. And it is another piece that came down from the van that is being fed with the diesel water level wire. They're both traveling together all the way to the fuel pump. So there is an electrical connection to the fuel pump that had to be plugged in as well. And so that's all up under the heat shield protector down there. So I really recommend checking out Freedom Strider's channel. I really kind of referenced that for a lot of stuff that I did. They were so helpful. I am not pretending to be an expert. They're not pretending to be an expert either, but they certainly knew a whole lot more than I did. So they were really a good source of information for me. So they broke it down really pretty good on what each wire is connected to and what they're responsible for and things like that. So if you want that kind of detail, I recommend really going and visiting their channel. That's Freedom Strider. But yeah, let me move on to my next thing. The next thing I am going to do is not, I cannot connect these electricals in the van yet. I kind of want to pre-wire first. So I'm going to do a little bit of that first before you can even power up the furnace to see if it works. I want to test it. So I'm not going to test it just yet. Just need some more equipment. You know, I need my battery. I'm not going to test it on my power drill battery like I did the other test. But I don't know. I have to work that out. But that's coming up in a future video. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks. Bye.